Alrighty guys, I want to make a video. Started wiring up the dash, and I'll be the first to admit it, I'm not real good with wiring up stuff, so this has been a learning process. So as you see, I got all my gauges in there. I just bought the 3-pack of gauges, and I just took them out of the pods and made them fit in there. Did order up a headlight switch through eBay. It's a GM style. I got a starter button. I just modified this for my tack. It used to have oil pressure and everything, but it was original equipment. None of it worked, so no sense of keeping it. Got my air pressure. It's a dual needle air pressure gauge. That way it'll read the air compressor and what's in the bags. It's just for the rear. I did set it up with a toggle switch here, so this is the raise it up, keep it steady, and lower it. I think I'm going to have one switch that controls the entire fuse box, just so I don't have any chances of a dead battery. That way I just kill the whole car. I'm going to have one for my fan, one for my air compressor. What I did do is, if you guys watch my other videos, I put the fuse box on the passenger side kick panel. Well, I decided it wasn't going to work. I didn't like the way it looked, so what I did is I made up a bracket, mounted in a glove compartment. I think I'm going to fill this in a little bit, just so I could actually use it as a glove compartment too, you know, insurance card and stuff like that. But what I did on the back here, started wiring it up. You see the light switch. I got my light switch, my ignition. I got to run those as a starter yet. Fuse box I bought it's actually off of eBay. It's not too bad. Probably should have got a little bit bigger one, but it's going to be fine. It's got a built-in relay. I got a couple extra relays there. I got one this. I got a couple here. Wired up a light to indicate when my fan's on. Another relay for the airbag system. I got to run wires back to the pressure switch though first. So yeah, it's getting there. I'm gonna go through this whole thing and write up a schematic, because it's gonna get all confusing once I get it up in the car, trying to figure out what wires are where. I did label most of them. The ones I know are running. Put a little label on there. I don't know if you probably can't read that, but it says fan. So that way I know, you know, where some of these are going. I put a label on this one. Trying to keep it as neat as I can. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Trying to keep the inside of the car as clean as I can. I figure taillights will run down underneath. I'm going to probably put some carpet or Mexican blanket over the steering or the trans hump, so you won't see any of this. But yeah, this is it. Once I get this wiring done, I think we could fire it up and start testing the systems. So hopefully next video it'll be in the car, and we'll see what happens. All right, thanks guys.